All right, good morning, everyone. Welcome to the on time, on target play of the day. We have a few seconds for the market opens today, Thursday, August 26th. Here we go. There's the opening bell. You have four screens in front of you. You have the S&P over here to the left on a 1-minute chart. You have our long for the day is VVOS. That's a sleep company that's working partnering with somebody on sleep apnea fix. You have Dollar Tree, DLTR selling off, and Dollar General selling off. I like the shorts better here than the longs. We got to watch out for volume, though. They're a little lower than we like, but it's certainly tradable. We'll keep an eye on it. We're looking at taking both these shorts. Maybe the long pans out. I don't know. We're not even going to spend too much time on it. Again, we're going to kind of let things set up. Our trade yesterday was perfect. It was a long, because the reason it was perfect is it just sold off, and then we captured that bottom, right? There's some risk there because you are taking a little bit of an educated guess at where the bottom forms, but it sold off enough on such a good story that we're able to draw that line and then capture the 3 R's to the upside fairly easy. All right. From a price point, DLTR is a little easier to trade, so that's why I'm focusing on this one. About $1 stop. High of the day would be 97.80. We kind of need this to come up higher a little bit before it sells off to make our numbers. But it's such a dud, though, as far as a company to invest in, that I kind of feel comfortable shaving it a little bit here. Let's go 97.5 as the high of the day, and then we'll enter it with, and hopefully this goes higher. Okay, this is good news. Okay, 98, we use $1.98, and then 98 is above our high of the day, and then 97 is our entry point. Zoom in here a little bit. So again, looking at 97 entering to the downside short. Waiting for it to hit before we're in. There we hit and it's in. All right, have an extra line in here messing up my chart. But we're taking this down. This is a short DLTR. We're in at 97. We're covering above the high of the day all the way up here at 98 even. And then it's got to go 96 is 1 R. Then down to 95 is 2R. See if we can get it down here. Nope, it's off the chart. 95 is 2R, and then you're out at 94. So overall on the day, that'd be down about 11% is what we're looking for on the DLTR story. So zoom back in here since we got nothing else. But you like all that red that you're seeing there, so that's good. So again, in at 97, you can still take it here, and then out if it flips and goes long. All right, back to our trade. DLTR short, we're in at 97. It is working. We're getting that cascading down there on the candlestick. So overall, pretty pleased with that. All right, trades in the green at 97. Again, 96 is your first R point. It has touched that 95, the next one, and you're out at 94. So again, setting your higher limit at 98, lower limit at 94. If you want to shrink it down, well, if you did shrink it down, you've been out, right? So 97.75, that would not have worked. But hey, it's starting to move here while we're talking about it. So now you're up in R, but yeah, just let this thing slowly fall throughout the day. I don't think people are going to wake up today and say now's the time to buy Dollar Tree after they just said they can't maintain their earnings because of inflation and shipping costs. So anyhow, I think it's a nice safe bet. I will close it out later on today. With that, that's all I've got, and we'll see you guys back tomorrow morning. Bye. Everybody, back with you just to close out the trade on the day. Again, we're looking at a DLTR in at 97. We set the above the higher bound of the day up at 98. Need it all the way down to 96, 95, 94 is our exit point. So there it is, drawn right there. So just hit it a few minutes ago. So overall, nice 3 R trade for the day. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye.